All right, end of the season. Here we go. Big game Benedict. There's our recipe list for our jambalaya, marinated filet, for our hollandaise sauce and little extras you might need. We're gonna start. We're gonna cut our fillets in half. Get a little Puckett's marinade. That's what we're going with. So marinate your meat, and then we're gonna put it to the side for a second. Cut up them onions. You know what we do it. Cut them up. We're gonna chunk them up. We're gonna do the Trinity, the whole Trinity, baby. That's right. Get that onion going. Next up is the celery. Chunk it up. Chunk it up. Gotta get that bell. You know how we do that bell. Roll it out. Get all that extra membrane. We're doing an orange bell too. Green and orange. Multicolored this week. Slice them up. And then chunk them up. That's right. Chunk it, chunk. There's the Trinity, baby. The Holy Trinity. But we're going to add a jalapeno to it. Yet again, get that extra membrane out of the way. Slice it, slice it. And then we're going to chunk it up. That's right. Throw it in with the Trinity. Smashing garlic this time. Chad's not roasting today. We're smashing. Smashing, then get it peeled. And then we're going to mince. Mince it up. All right, now a little thyme. We're going to dust up the thyme. Dusting thyme. Throwing in our Trinity mix. Now on the side for our garnish, we're starting some green onion. There we go. Picking some parsley. Dusting it up. Toss that with the green onion. There we go. All right, lemon time. Gonna do some fresh juicing. Get some fresh lemon juice. Here we go. Squeeze, squeeze. Juice, juice. All right, prep is done. Let's get to the cooking. Throw a little oil in the bottom of a pot. And let's throw about 2 pounds of sausage in there. That's right. Get it all in there. And then we're gonna break it up. Stir it up. Little red pepper. Little slap your mama. Little onion powder. Little garlic salt, you know, just a little bit of this, a little bit of that, little garlic powder. Little Worcester. Oh, then a little cayenne, you know, a little heat. Salt, pepper, you know how we do. Stir it up, stir it up. Now add in the Trinity. Stir it up, baby. Get it going. Get it all nicely mixed together. A little hot sauce in there. Good base for that jambalaya. Now throw in your rice. That's right. Stir the rice in. It's going to absorb those juices. Throw in your chicken stock. And just let all those flavors marry together. Once they're done, we're gonna pull it in a tray, spread it out so it can dry out and cool off, because that's gonna be the base of this fantastic big game Benedict. All right, throw some of your green onion mix with the parsley on top. Like I said, just not all of it. We're gonna keep some of it, but throw some of it in there. Now, let's boil some water and let's melt down some butter. Get those fatty solids out of the butter. This is clarified butter we're gonna need. This is so, get ready. Next up, we're separating our yolks for our hollandaise. This takes a second. You can see the care that Chef is using as he pulls the egg yolk and sets it aside. Look at those beautiful yolks. So many yolks, it's like gold. Now, you know how it is. Frisky whiskey time. You're going to take those yolks and over the steaming heat, you're going to whisk them together. Frisky whiskey. All right, you don't want to put them on direct heat. We're not trying to make scrambled eggs. So we're going to move it back and forth. Back and forth. We're just trying to thicken it up as we make this hollandaise. Whip it together. Thick it up. Frisky whiskey. Now, as it starts to thicken, this is when you want to start adding in some of that clarified butter. Probably about a half cup to a quarter cup at a time. Like I said, this is a process. It's going to take a minute to do this right. Back on the heat. Throw in a little bit of that lemon juice. You saw that. A little more butter. Back on the heat. Frisky whiskey all day, baby. When you think you're close, this is when we go in for the taste test to check it. Get in there, get in the right consistency. Throw a little salt. Get a little more of that lemon juice in there. Frisky whiskey, yeah! A little more lemon juice, a little more salt, and now the final ingredient, don't forget the cayenne, that's right. There we go. Just about there. Yeah. All right, one last taste test. Here we go. Yep, I think that's gonna do it. Yep, yeah. All right, put those steaks on the grill. We're almost finished. Of course, salt and pepper, you know how we do. A little salt, a little pepper. Then we're gonna throw some of that buttery fat that we pulled on the steaks. That's right, throw them on the steaks, get that fire rolling, get a nice good sear on those babies. Like I said, don't overcook them, just get that nice good sear. All right, there we go. Pull the steaks. That didn't take long. Now we're going to cake up the jambalaya. That's right, making them into cakes. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Throw some of that clarified butter in a pan. Get it going to a nice mid-high heat. And we're going to fry those cakes. And a cake flip. Look at that color. Look at that color. And then we're pulling them. Can you taste it yet? Are you ready? Final move, poaching eggs. Add a tablespoon of vinegar, apple cider, white wine, whatever, stir it in there into your heating water, and we're gonna drop our eggs in there to poach them. Here we go, drop those eggs in there. When they're fully poached, you can see, like I said, the yolk hasn't hardened, it's still in there, but the egg is nice. Oh, these are some perfectly poached babies here, Chef. Plating time. Cake on the bottom, filet in the middle, poached egg on top. Drizzle that hollandaise. Just drizzle it all over. Yeah. Then we're gonna sprinkle on a little cayenne for just a little more heat. Just a nice little dash of cayenne on top. And finally, our green onion parsley garnish. And there you go, baby. There you go. The big game Benedict for your big game, for your tailgate. Get with the Tailgate Kings. Have a great time, y'all. All right, there we go. Tailgate Kings here. Super Bowl, man. Are you ready for the most fantastic dish of your life? Are you ready for the Super Bowl of eats? The Super Bowl of tailgating? Jackson, we got the big game Benedict. What do we got here?
Yes, we kind of spun the traditional Benedict. Obviously, there's no bread. What we did was we made some jambalaya and we turned them into cakes, pan-fried them, pan-seared them.
Yeah.
A little grilled filet on top. Our poached egg. And a traditional hollandaise.
And that fantastic hollandaise. Would you watch the video? You got to see how to make that from scratch yourself. All right, Jackson, we got perhaps the toughest matchup in the Super Bowls recently to pick for me, man. I don't know, but I might have worn my colors for it. So I got Patty Mahomes and the Chiefs. Who you got?
Still not ready to pick it yet.
Oh, come on. Give them something. Give them
If
something.
I had to do it right now.
Chiefs, there we go, baby. Oh, let's go on Chiefs. All right, hey, check out the podcast. Check out the Twitch, BB20. Yeah. Jackson always likes his asterisks. Like I said, check out the Twitch. Like I said, check out the TikTok where we got card openings going. Obviously, you're on the YouTube. Check out the recipe. Check us out on Facebook. And coming soon, a new studio. Tailgate Kings, man. Big game Benedict. You ain't eating like this. You serve your friends this to tailgate.
Sub out the filet and put in like some pan-seared flattened boudin. Oh yeah.
There you go. All sorts of ways you can mix this up. That's what we like to do here at TK. Hey, look, we'll be back in the off season with probably some heart healthy recipes, Chad. I think we're gonna do a little heart healthy. We've been doing a lot of Paula Deen butter, so we're gonna do a little heart healthy.
Everybody's looking for it.
That's what we're doing. So hey, look, coming back, new studio, new recipes. Stay with us, Tailgate Kings. Big game Benedict. Get it now. Check it out. All right.
Thanks, y'all.